In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect GoDaddy domain to another website. By the end, your domain will seamlessly send visitors to a different site without needing to move hosting or files. This is perfect for rebrands, marketing campaigns, or consolidating multiple domains. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, open your profile menu at the top and choose My Products. In the Domains area, click Manage All to see your full domain list. Find the domain you want to redirect and click it to open the domain settings page. From there, switch to the DNS tab. Scroll until you see the forwarding section. Under the domain heading, click Add Forwarding to create a new redirect. In the destination field, paste the exact website address you want your domain to point to. To avoid typos, it's best to copy the URL directly from your browser. Next, choose the correct protocol. If your destination site loads with a secure lock icon, select HTTPS. If not, choose HTTP. Most modern sites use HTTPS, and picking the right one prevents browser warnings. Now choose the redirect type. Select permanent, also known as a 301 if this move is meant to last. A 301 tells browsers and search engines that the new address is the official home, which helps pass along SEO value and reduces confusion for repeat visitors. If this is a short-term change, maybe you're rebuilding a site or running a temporary promotion, select temporary or 302. That signals the change isn't forever, so search engines won't treat it as the final destination. Next, decide how the redirect should display. Forward only will send visitors to the destination and then show that destination's real URL in the address bar. This is the cleanest approach and works best for most sites. Forward with masking keeps your original domain showing in the address bar while loading the other site's content behind it. While that can be useful for simple landing pages, be aware that masking can break logins, shopping carts, and analytics, and it's generally not ideal for SEO. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the forwarding rule. Changes may take a few minutes to go live, and in some cases up to an hour. If you don't see the redirect immediately, try a private or incognito window, or clear your browser cache to get a fresh result. That's all it takes to redirect a GoDaddy domain to another website. With these settings in place, your visitors will land exactly where you want them, with the redirect type and display behavior that match your goals.